subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.
Making a Race Car, read by Glow. My name is Nate. I made a race car with my dad. Here are some of the tools we use: wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers. And here are some of the parts we use: a car shield, wheels, nuts, and bolts. First, we use the nuts and bolts to hold the parts together. My dad helped me. Looking good, he said. Next, we sprayed the car red. I like the color red. Looking good, Dad said. Then we put on the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking good, said Dad. On the day of the race, I sat in the car. Looking good, said Dad. The race started, and I rolled down the hill. Faster, faster. I crossed the finish line, and I smiled at my dad. Looking good, he cheered. The end.